In this lesson, we're gonna learn how to install Node.js. So in Google, just type Node.js and select this first option. Then press here on download. You will see here two options. The first option is to installing Node.js using the terminal or the command line. So if you open applications in Mac OS and just search for terminal and open it, you're gonna see something like this. The terminal in Mac OS is a command line. We use it to run commands. In Windows, called command prompt or CMD. You can run it on Windows with the shortcut Windows button with R to run the command line. And here actually, I'm not gonna use the command line to install Node because I will select the simpler option here because I assume that you are beginners to programming. So I'm gonna use this second option, get pre-built Node.js. First, you should select your operation system. If you press here, you're gonna see Windows, Mac, Linux. For me, I'm gonna select Mac OS. If you are working with Windows, please select this Windows. And for me also, I'm gonna select this ARM64 because I'm running on Mac OS M1 chip. Then I'm gonna press here, Mac OS installer to download it. Now I'm downloading Node.js. Just wait for seconds and let me show you how to install it. Now the download is done. Let's press on it to install it. I'm gonna press here, continue, agree, install, and just type my password and press install software. If you see here, you're gonna notice this package has installed Node version 22, NPM version 10. Now I'm gonna press close and move to trash. Now, if you want to make sure that you've installed Node.js correctly, just open the terminal or the command line if you are using Windows and just type the following, node-v. And you should see something like this, v22.12.0. You should see this number or newer version.